Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing two boxes of Ultimate Collection. One is 13-14, the other one is 14-15. And we're going to do a random rate-off for the pack of Overtime, the promotional pack that we're going to give away. Unopened pack. So all the teams are put in there. For the NHL, we're going to randomize it 4 times. Team on top at the end of 4 is the winner. So, here we go, and I can't quite see that. Let's jack this up a little bit higher. There we go. How's this now? Okay, so Chicago on top there, and New York Islanders on the bottom again. Oilers on top. Winnipeg on the bottom. Kings on top. And Wings on the bottom. That's 3 times. 4th and final time. The winner of the pack is the Carolina Hurricanes. As you can see, 4 times. 4 times the charm. So Carolina tonight is Michael Storrow. Congratulations, Michael. That pack will be included. Unopened, of course. Let you have all the fun. Here we have what we're looking at tonight. Plus Michael's pack there, and I will just mark that in as free pack. So how's everybody doing tonight? Here's our list of winners. Been a beautiful weekend. We cannot complain. I want to thank everybody for jumping in, grabbing teams. Some of you have multiple teams, which means multiple chances. Here's our serial numbers, 2442 and 4505. It's break 181. Okay, and box number 1. 2442. Here's our time, 21:49. And that's Nova Scotia time. Let's get right into this box. I just uploaded a 6-box half case break of Panini Select for next Sunday night. And a box of SPX with it, I guess. Separate break, of course. Okay, there's our 13-14. Tuesday night. Few breaks happening there too. Oh, my. What have we here? A mega random, for sure. We're going to start off with the Chicago Blackhawks. Jeremy Roenick. 241 out of 499. Chicago is Rhino 13-13-13. Back-to-back Chicago hits. Ultimate Rookies, Joachim Nordstrom. 217 out of 499. Wow. Oh my God. You would not believe. Well, you're going to believe it here in a minute. Gerard Tenorti, NHL Ultimate Collection, Ultimate Rookies Auto out of 399. Redemption. Oh, just can't take my eyes off of this. It's going to be random between the Panthers. Will have their names in twice. Montreal will have their names once. Toronto, Carolina, and Ottawa also. We got Ultimate Rookie 6. Wow, and it's patches. Looky hooky, dooky dooky, Alexander Barkov, Jonathan Huberdeau, Alexander Galchenyuk, Morgan Riley, Elias Lindholm, and Corey Conacher, numbered 5 out of 10. Wow. Sweet. So we've got O2 Snake 02, and we've got Old Jet Fan, and we've got Honda Lover 120 CR 125, and we've got T-Joe 11161. Who did I miss? Carolina, Michael Storrow. Wow. And the camera doesn't do it justice. But of course that's going to wait. And here's our next box, our 14-15 one. That's where we got the serial number from, 4505. So we'll get right into that one. Wow, what a nice card. To the winner. If you want insurance, let me know. Insurance and tracking. Okay, here's our 14-15. Good luck. Start off with St. Louis Blues, Lady 0013, David Backes, 216 out of 299. For the Devils, NS Framer, 33. How you doing? 125 out of 299, Damon Severson. Nice little auto there. Masterpieces. Oh, Rhino 13. Signature Masterpieces. Tavarian. Oh my God. Very nice auto. And this is numbered. No, it's not. Wow. We got rare materials. Stick. Nicholas Cromwell for T-Joe 11161. That is sweet, and that is numbered 3 out of 10. It's the blue version, I guess. Sweet. And here we go. We got Tuukka. Ultimate Game Materials. 29 out of 99. Tuukka Rask. And last but not least, 142 out of 150. We got Chris Kunitz going out to Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is BAIA 87. Somebody likes Crosby. There you go. Okay, there you have it. Let's get to another random list here. Wow. Everybody knows how I do my regular card randoms. And that's I put the names in 3 times, or the teams in 3 times, and random it 4 times. Person on top at the end is the winner. So just give me a chance here to get this in. Whoop. Panthers, Habs, Leafs, Canes, and okay, so Panthers, Habs, Leafs, Canes, and Senators. I'll just show that again. Okay. Let's prop me up by the jukebox if I die. Okay. So there you can see Habs, Leafs, Habs, Leafs. Let's start at the top. Panthers, Panthers, Habs, Leafs, Canes, Senators. And then a couple more times throughout. Okay. Everybody ready? Here we go. Pardon me. Da, da, da. So I don't have my stand. So Panthers on top. And once again, Leafs on top. I don't want to hit any buttons here. Let me get a hold of this better. Panthers on top. That's 3 times. Here we go. 4th and final time. Survey says the winner is the Habs. Old Jet fan gets it. And there's your 4 times. And of course your date. Very good. Congratulations. So hopefully we'll see you on some other breaks Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday nights is how it's looking. So thanks very much for taking part. Good night and happy bidding.